signify the new month and step on the, and then we do the circle, and then we stare at the full light of the sun in the morning, and that is the title page of the next July we've got to set up for, with the July heading of try not to get the sun. So there it is, the end of the month. It always is the 22nd where I readjust for the next 7 days of title pages for the next month. Announcing the concept of the colour scheme for July. I forget what it was in the past. Oh yeah, it was mauve. Yeah, it was the mauve colour. Yeah, I always went mauve for July. Ready? Two. One more spin around. Look into the sun. Get the selfie. And then we're back. We're back to load the images. This is why I stick it on a tripod, so I don't do this. That effect right there. And we just lost the coat. Just lost the blanket. Two. Yeah, I'll put the Lego down so there, the shadow of me standing there. Oh, the fog is really thick now. You can't really see it, but you can't really see that fog because of the sun. The effect of the sun, and we went past two. They go, cup of tea, Deb.